In most cases, an antioxidant serum will hydrate the skin in addition to delivering antioxidants to the skin. If the skin feels tight or stings after an antioxidant serum is applied, however, the serum may be drying out the skin. This will most likely occur when the serum is applied to skin that is very dry. If this occurs, it is best to discontinue use and search for an antioxidant serum that offers a better level of hydration. Tightness, stinging, or burning may also occur if an antioxidant serum is applied to skin that is especially sensitive. If this occurs, switch to an antioxidant serum that is gentler on the skin or is hypoallergenic. Instead of investing in a serum just to find that it causes a negative reaction in the skin, test the product before purchasing an entire bottle or tube. Either request a trial size at the store where the product is sold or simply use the tester that is available in the store. Apply a small amount of the serum to the skin on the inside of the wrist to make sure that it does not cause a reaction. In addition to finding an antioxidant serum for one skin type, it is also possible to find an antioxidant serum that is formulated to treat certain skin issues. A person who is battling acne, for example, might search for a serum that helps to heal blemishes and curb the occurrence of new breakouts. A person who is trying to create a more youthful complexion can search for an antioxidant serum that is formulated to help fade uneven skin tone, especially in areas that may have become marked with age spots. Serums that are formulated with natural ingredients such as vitamin C and marshmallow extract are considered to be especially good at fading age spots and scars.